What's going on, guys? It's Mike Ehlers here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk all things real estate, mortgages, and finance. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Mike Ehlers, and I own 46 units of rental real estate. All of them are at least 2 doors or more in each building. And I am a full-time loan officer where I help people finance properties and also help them buy properties for their primary residence. So on today's video, I want to break down this 8-family that I currently bought and use the BRRRR strategy. And ultimately, I was able to cash out $225,000 above what I put into the building of complete tax-free money, and I still cash flow $2,000 a month. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm gonna go over the BRRRR strategy of an 8-family property that I bought. It's in the St. Louis, Tower Grove South, and I'm gonna run over the numbers with you. So I purchased this building for $225,000, and I put in $130,000. I borrowed all of the money up front from a private lender, so all $355,000. The $225,000 was to buy the property, and the $130,000 was to completely rehab the property. And then I ended up putting about $20,000 more of my own money into it, as there were just some unforeseen things that I didn't know, and neither did the lender before we got started on the project. So anyways, this property was rented for about $400 a month to tenants. It had 2 open units when I bought it. So obviously we started on those 2 right away and getting them fixed up and brought back to life. And we made them more of a luxury type unit. And we took all the rents on all 8 of them throughout the process from between $400 and $450 to $850, which is market rent. And in some cases for our units, it's actually a little bit below market rent. So it's still a great deal for the tenants, but it's also a great deal for us because of the purchase price that we bought it for. So after we completely redid the property, it took a full 6.5 months to kind of remove some of the tenants and completely rehab it. And then once we got it stabilized at about 6.5, 7 months, we took the loan to a bank for bank financing to get out of the private money lenders. And when we refinanced it, we were getting $850 across the board, which is $6,800 a month. And then that also was creating about $81,200 in revenue, our rents collected for the year. And then the bank takes about 30% out for expenses. And then you divide that by an 8 cap for our area, which brought the valuation of our building to $750,000. And then the bank was able to give us an 80% loan. So an 80% of $750,000 was $600,000. And remember, we were all in this property for $375,000. So we were able to pull out $225,000 completely tax-free. And then now our new loan is $600,000. We've taken that $225,000 and put it in the bank. We're using some of that for reserves. And then we're also going to take some of that money and deploy it into other assets. And our new mortgage payment with taxes, insurance, principal, and interest. And then we also have some maintenance in there. We have in-house property management, so we don't calculate for that, is about $4,800 a month. But currently completely rented out, all 8 of them. We're getting $6,800, so we're cash flowing $2,000 a month on an asset that we didn't use any of our own money on, and we were actually to make $225,000. Absolutely unbelievable. So guys, I'm not saying this or making this video to brag. I'm making this video to inspire. My goal of this channel is to share my journey of real estate investing, and also to make videos on mortgages and different finance products to educate people on real estate from all different facets, from the mortgage side, the number side, and also my journey as I continue to buy these buildings and ultimately build passive income and legacy wealth for my family. And I really hope to reach as many people as I can and help inspire them and teach them the way that we go about our business and the way that we buy properties, the type of work that we do, and then kind of educate people on how we find our tenants, how we manage it all. I mean, there's so many different little intricacies into how all of this comes together and works. But 2 years ago, I started investing in real estate and I didn't have anything. I had a little bit of money that I had saved up, but mostly just the willingness to put in the work, to find the deals, to find the private money, to take a risk, find the contractors, figure out how to source different materials and figure out what the cost is. And then I had to figure out how to find tenants, and I've done my own property management. I mean, there's a lot of different layers to this, but it's not impossible. I hear people all the time, I want to be in real estate, I want to do this, and they never put the work in. And not only that, I follow a bunch of YouTube channels. You guys are following me or watching this video, and I know you probably follow a lot of other people that do the same stuff. The resources and the education today are completely out there. I'm willing to put out free information. I got a lot of free information from other people, and I just am extremely excited and grateful for everything I've been able to learn and do. But also now I'm at a point where I really want to share my journey with everybody else. So if you guys could please do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be putting out tons of free content, how I find deals, source deals, find contractors, source materials, different banks that I've used, just any and everything that I've gone through. I want to share it with everyone. And ultimately, I'm hoping that I can be a resource for all of you to help you reach your financial goals and build a huge passive income so that you can live the life on your own terms, or the life of your dreams. Or maybe you want to make, $100,000 a month in passive income, or maybe you just want to make an extra $5,000 in passive income. I know for me, when I started making my first $5,000 a month in passive income, it completely changed my life. And like I just told you guys, this deal alone put $225,000 into my pocket, plus $2,000 a month in passive income. For many people, that's completely life-changing. And it's life-changing for me even. And it only makes me eager and hungry to go do more deals and find more deals that can ultimately create more passive income, more tax-free money, and just use the BRRRR, which stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. And just keep doing it until you get to the point where you either are happy with what you have, or you just keep going to get more and more and more until you're finally satisfied with where you're at and the type of passive income that you're making. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to share my journey with all of you. And again, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I do respond to all the comments. I'll give you all my honest feedback. And yeah, hope to help you guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.